how to move a picture in Microsoft Word, MS Word. Let's go and watch about this. Before we go, please subscribe to the channel to reach every important video upload, and press like and share the video. Open Word file, this Word file. And we need to move this picture. This picture is not appear here, so press in the layout. First of all, you have to select the picture like this. The picture is selected and not appear. Then layout. Then in the position menu or tool, press here and select any of these ones. So if you select this one, it will be upper, in the upper key, in the upper. Here it will be in the middle like this. Here it will be in the bottom, in the bottom at the left, in the bottom at the right, and so on. So let's select this one, so it's here. Okay. If there is any question, don't hesitate to ask, and I will reply you as soon as possible. Press like for the video and share it with others.